thanks for taking a few minutes to talk to us today.
Sure.
We're on the cusp now between 5G hype and deployment reality. What would you say are the critical factors needed to be successful in this next phase?
Right. Well, 5G is definitely becoming a reality now, right? We're seeing the initial deployments. And 5G is going to be really interesting because not only does it enable these enhanced mobile broadband services, which is an experience everybody's waiting for, of course, but it's enabling a whole set of new applications as well. It has this ultra reliable low latency communication capabilities, and that's going to be critical for a whole suite of industrial automation and IoT applications. So I think in the end 5G is going to be really, really important, but it's going to have a pretty fundamental impact on the way IP networking is being done. First of all, we're going to scale, or have to scale the networks, at least a factor of 10. And of course, we're going to have to be hyper efficient in doing that because ARPU isn't going up as we all know. So that's where new technology development, like what we're doing with FP4 and our IXR portfolio, really come to the rescue, right? They allow us to build those networks at higher scale with a significantly reduced cost per bit. But next to that, what 5G will also make happen, I think, is it's going to make edge cloud a reality. Edge cloud is the idea of distributing compute throughout the telco infrastructure so you can create services where and when you need them. And that's going to be essential to enable those low latency services. So the result of that is really an agile network environment where you can create the services when you need them and where you need them, but it will increase the complexity of networking quite significantly. And the way to deal with that is automation. We need more automation, and that's why we're investing very heavily in insight-driven automation in our portfolio, including automating the connectivity in a hybrid telco cloud environment with our NFIX solution. And then lastly, with 5G, with more connected devices, with higher capacity devices, we're also going to see an increase of the attack surface on IP networks. So we're going to see an increase of the amount of DDoS attacks, the volume or the magnitude of those DDoS attacks. So we will need a new approach to deal with that as well. And that's where we're developing our FP4 with Deep Field solution to do router-based DDoS mitigation.
Great, well thank you very much for taking some time to talk to us.
All right, good to be here, thank you.